Hi guys, I'm walking you through how to prepare the fat excretion weight loss formulation. Okay, so I am using the 500 gram. So I'm going to weigh out 16 grams of the formulation, which is what I'm going to use to prepare my tea. Okay, so I have 16 grams weighed out, as you can see. So I'm going to pour it into a glass beaker and I'm going to add some water, which I use, but I'm first of all going to rinse out the container, and then I'm going to pour 750 ml of water into the fat excretion formulation, and I'm going to stir very well and then leave it overnight. So this is what it looks like in the morning. Okay, you can see part of the formulation had settled at the bottom. So yeah, so that's what it looks like. You can see. So I'm going to stir it very well so that the particles are evenly distributed, and I'm going to pour it into a saucepan, and whatever particles that are still remaining, I will rinse it out and pour it back into the saucepan, and then I will heat it. Once it starts boiling for 10 minutes, I cool it, and now is when I'm now going to drink it. So please pay attention, this is very important. So I have my cup, and before you use it, stir very well and then pour it into the cup. Okay, and then before you drink it, keep stirring, because there are some particles inside, and those particles have to be evenly distributed in the herbal tea. So as you are drinking it, keep stirring. Don't allow the particles to settle to the bottom. Okay, that is why you have to keep